A data protection officer, or a DPO, is a specific role within an organization that is often either required or recommended to be appointed, and who is responsible for assisting an organization in maintaining compliance with data protection requirements. This role is sometimes referred to as a privacy officer or an information officer. While the role of and obligations for appointing a DPO vary between jurisdictions, there are some common requirements. Usually, DPOs will not need to be appointed by smaller organizations or those that only process limited amounts of personal data, although appointing DPOs in such cases may still be encouraged. When a DPO is required, there are often stipulations in terms of who can be appointed as DPO. In the EU, for example, the GDPR provides that DPOs must be appointed on the basis of their relevant professional qualifications or equivalent experience, and that the individual is easily contactable. In addition, there can be requirements as to where a DPO is located. Once a DPO is appointed, many jurisdictions require that contact details of the DPO are provided to the local supervisory authority. In addition, it is often a legal obligation to provide the DPO's contact details in privacy policies or in notifications to data subjects. In most cases, a DPO's primary responsibility is to ensure compliance with the relevant privacy legislation in the jurisdiction. This may include overseeing data subject requests, assisting with data protection impact assessments, conducting awareness and training for employees, and cooperating with supervisory authorities. DPOs may also be tasked with generally monitoring the compliance of their organization or to perform previews of their organization. To ensure the effectiveness of a DPO in performing these responsibilities, several laws, including the EU's GDPR, stipulate that a DPO must have a certain degree of independence. This may mean, for example, that a DPO cannot be penalized for performing their tasks. Some laws further provide that a DPO must be able to communicate with senior management. Other variations on DPO appointments around the world include whether different organizations can appoint the same DPO, conflicts of interest requirements, whether a group can be designated a DPO, and obligations related to appointing deputy DPOs or similar. Around the world, legislative requirements to appoint DPOs are becoming increasingly common, and their responsibilities are more defined.